So, let's take a look at this rare steam machine prototype. On December 13th, Valve shipped these units to 300 testers in the US, and it arrives in this pretty beefy wooden box. The prototype itself is a black box measuring 12 inches wide, 12.4 inches long, and 2.9 inches high. And I'll admit, it's quite a bit heavier than I thought. It's 12.6 pounds, which doesn't sound like a lot on paper, but for a computer of this size, yeah, that's pretty dense. The chassis is made of metal with a brushed texture, and the removable shell is quite thick too. And on the front is this oversized power button with a white glowing ring, which I absolutely love. There's also tons of I/O on the back, including USB, DisplayPort, and even a PS2 keyboard port. Looks like they're covering all bases for testing. There's also 2 USB ports on the front. Now let's take a look at the inside. With one screw, we can remove the outer shell. For specs, the prototype is equipped with an Intel Core i3, i5, or i7 processor, one of various NVIDIA GPUs, 16 GB of RAM, a solid-state hybrid drive with 1 TB of mechanical storage and 8 GB of solid-state storage, and a 450-watt power supply. The controller that came with this prototype doesn't have the touchscreen like we saw in those other press photos. Instead, it has 4 physical buttons in the middle. And it's not wireless yet, it's wired with USB. But to be fair, Valve did disclose that ahead of time. Another shout out to Bringus for loaning me this prototype Steam controller. I got to unwrap it from its condom unit and touch it before he did. But here's my favorite part about these prototype units. On the top here, there's 300 holes, and Valve shipped 300 units. And one of them is a shiny countersunk hole. The theory for this hole is it's a unique identifier for this specific unit. Assuming the numerical order follows left to right, top to bottom, this is unit number 78 of 300.